Today I want to talk to you about safe stretching. So stretching is really important to prevent injuries and to help heal with injuries. However, there are some rules that need to be followed to prevent further injury and also, of course, to get the benefit from the stretches that you're doing. So before you carry out any of our stretches on the website or Facebook, please follow these simple rules. So the first thing to do is remember that static stretching is the safest way to go. So what I mean by that is gently holding a stretch in a static, non-movement position. That allows you to feel the intensity of the stretch and to check for any pain and to prevent you overstretching. So for example, if I was stretching my forearm muscles, I would gently pull my wrist down until I feel a stretch coming up the back, and then I would just hold it and I would count to 20 to 30 seconds. What I wouldn't want you to do is to pump or push and rhythmically overstretch, because that can overstretch the fibres, that can damage joints around it. So static stretching is the safest way to go. As I said, 20 to 30 seconds is the optimum time to hold a stretch. If you only hold it for the count of 10, you will benefit, but not as much as you should or could. So a gentle count to 20 slowly, or if you're a fast counter, count to 30, will give you the optimum stretch on the muscles. Another thing to remember is to make sure you're breathing when you stretch. I know that sounds really basic and quite funny, but you'll be surprised at how many times people get caught when exercising, holding their breath while they stretch. So that's not good for us for various different reasons, particularly if you're holding for 30 seconds, you might get lightheaded. And also, you are actually restricting the amount of oxygen going around your body, and therefore it can affect your healing times and the effectiveness of the tissue stretch. So just remember, check yourself and make sure you're breathing normally and continue with the stretch.